It's 6:34 on this Thursday morning. Governor Andy Beshear says we are in a really tough spot with the pandemic. Yesterday, Kentucky had its fourth highest day ever in terms of new cases and its third highest day of deaths. One way to help understand how severe cases are trending is to look at the data from our hospitals. And Rob has been looking into that for this morning. Rob, what do the numbers show us?
Yes, they do show that particularly in Kentucky, the trend has basically been going up since the start of the fall. So this morning, we're going to look at the numbers from our ICUs because that can give us a sense of how some of the most severe cases we're seeing are trending. So start by looking at Kentucky. This graph shows the fall and winter months so far. Now, as you can see, it's been trending up basically the entire time. On the first day of fall, we had 133 people in the ICU with COVID. Went up steadily from there, and we hit our high point on December 16th with 460 people. Late December and early January have fluctuated a bit more, but we've stayed in general in that neighborhood. As of yesterday, we had 403 people in the ICU in Kentucky. Now, here are the numbers for Indiana. The story for the fall is basically the same. We started with 254 people on the first day of fall, went up from there. We had our high point in December on the 1st with more than 1,000 people in Indiana in the ICU with COVID. From there, though, Indiana has actually shown a little bit of a downward trend. And as of January 12th, we had 550 people in the ICU with COVID in Indiana. An important reminder, though, that even if some of us have mild cases or even asymptomatic cases, that is not true for some of our neighbors. Daniel?